Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make Bombay mix chana chaat. So let's get started. The ingredients are chopped cucumbers, chopped onions, turmeric chutney, ketchup, chopped tomatoes, black chickpeas, Bombay mix. For spices I have black pepper, chaat masala, black salt and chili flakes. And I also have chopped boiled potatoes. I'm now going to put all the ingredients inside a bowl. First, I'm going to put the potatoes. And then the tomatoes. Next, I'm going to add is some onions, cucumbers, black chickpeas, the spices, the turmeric chutney, and Bombay mix. And I'm going to mix that well. I have mixed well. One of the ingredients I said earlier is ketchup. This is optional. If you don't want to use it, you don't need to. And with that said, our Bombay mix chana chaat is ready. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.